here their entry point. Now this area is a seller's entry point. So you can choose this whole area is a seller's point, but now this is the original seller's entry point. When again market cross this level, sellers will enter. But you can see, you can observe the market is moving like this, right? But the market must goes up from this level. Thus, buyers must enter here, but buyers did not enter. They they did not show their interest to enter here. It means the uptrend is completed here. Okay, this this trend, this strong bearish movement break this level. The market did not following the market did not follow the trend, the previous trend. It means uptrend is completed. Now downtrend started because of this strong bearish movement. You can see strong bearish movement. That's why it break this level. So 1 minute. Please mute other friends. Okay. Okay. Now you can see in uptrend or in downtrend, buyers and sellers always choose their entry point. They shift their entry point because I will explain here. This one is now seller's entry point. When market cross this level, sellers will enter because this price is higher than this previous price. So when market goes up, sellers will enter. When price goes down, buyers will enter. Buyers will buy their stuff, their asset at the lowest point. Seller seller sells their asset at highest point. This is the reason behind it. When price goes up, sellers will enter. But we don't know where they enter, from where they enter. But we need confirmation to enter with sellers. When price goes up, when price cross the previous seller's entry point, it means sellers will enter at any time. We need confirmation to enter with sellers. I'll show you. So this is the seller's entry point now. You can see the strong rejection from sellers. Again, after this strong rejection, sellers entered. So we can consider this as a seller's entry. Again, when market come to this level, sellers entered. This is the confirmation. Again, when market cross this level, again sellers entered. Again, when market cross this level, just wait. Again, when market cross this level, sellers entered. So sellers always change their entry point. We need confirmation to enter with sellers. We need confirmation in the 5 seconds to enter with sellers. Sellers always change their entry point. When market cross this level, it means sellers will enter. We need sellers confirmation. We need sellers confirmation to enter. Okay. So okay, you can see this is very strong candle. So we got a confirmation here, but not in first 30 minutes, not in first 30 seconds. So we can enter. Okay, this is not strong confirmation. Okay, again they changed their entry point from here to here. So again they change. Always they change their entry point from when market cross this level, they change their entry point. Okay, this is strong confirmation. You can enter with this strong confirmation. So they shifted their entry point from here to here. Again they shifted. When market crossed this level, again sellers entered. So when market goes up, sellers will always change their entry point from one place to another place. In downtrend also, so you can see this is the buyer's entry point now. When market come to this level, buyers entered. Again when market crossed this level, buyers entered. So again when market crossed this level, again buyers entered. You may think this is the fake breakout, because this is a fake breakout because it happened because of the entry point. Seller, because buyers changed their entry point.
Next level কি আবার buyer entry
That's why the fake breakout happened here. You may think this is the real breakout, but this is not real breakout. In downtrend, buyers always change their entry point. That's why the fake breakouts happen. You need to know the reason behind the fake breakout. Again you are seeing a fake breakout here. These all are fake breakouts. Always buyers and sellers always change their entry point. When market cross the previous entry point, buyers will enter. Buyers entered from this level because already this is the area. Buyers choose this entry point. This is the pattern. Yeah.
দাঁড়াবে সব কিছুই লাগে সাইকোলজিতে বাদ দেওয়া নেই ক্যান্ডেলের ক্যান্ডেলের জ্ঞান থাকলে না ক্যান্ডেলের জ্ঞান তো লাগেই পাশাপাশি এগুলো ক্যান্ডেলের জ্ঞান হলে তো স্ট্রং এরিয়া যদি ক্যান্ডেলের জ্ঞান
So this is actual pattern. So the market must touch this level and reverse and unmade. So this is actual pattern. So it reversed from this level. The market again touch this level and reverse. The market must touch this level and reverse and come to same level. It must come to same level, but it didn't come to same level because the downtrend is completed here. The market break this level, right? This is support, this is resistance, this is support level. The market break this level. It means the downtrend is completed here. The market is not following the trend. This is the trend. The market is moving like this, but it did not follow the trend. So in downtrend or uptrend, buyers and sellers always choose their entry point. You may think this is very strong candle, you may think this is very strong candle. Even this is very strong candle, it will reverse because the market crossed the seller's entry point. The market crossed the previous seller's entry point and there is a level 2. So the market always change their entry point. Buyers always change their entry point. When market cross the previous buyer's entry point, buyers will again enter. But we need confirmation to enter with buyers. If we get one confirmation, we can enter. Here you can see the confirmation candles here. Again when market cross, again you can see the buyer's entry here. Again when market cross, you can see strong buyer's entry here. Okay, the strong candle, but you can't take this as a confirmation. Okay, this is the rejection. No confirmation here because the market is not good here. You can see the dashes. But if you get confirmation, you can enter. There is no confirmation here because the market is not good. If you get confirmation, you can enter. If you can't get any confirmation, it's better to avoid to trade on this area. So buyers and sellers always change their entry point. If you get one good confirmation, or if you get one or two good confirmation, you can enter with buyers in downtrend. You can enter with sellers in uptrend. So when market cross the previous seller's entry point, it means there is a chance to enter sellers. You can see they shifted their level from here to here, and they shifted their level from here to here. So now this is the sellers area. Again they changed their entry point from here to here. So this is the last entry point, and this is the trend. So this is the trend. The market break this trend. The market is not following the trend here. The market break this trend. It means uh, the down uptrend is completed here. Actually, the market must go from this level. Wait. So this is the pattern here. The market is moving like this. So the market must touch this level, and the market must reverse from this level and goes more up. The sellers must change their level, change their entry point from here to here. But you can see here the market did not reverse from this area, and instead of the market break this level. It means the uptrend is completed. Now downtrend started. Now sellers entered. You can now check the buyer's entry point here. Okay, this is very strong seller's entry, so it's better to avoid to identify the buyer's entry here, because sellers entered very strongly, and this is not trend to this is not trend, this is strong bearish movement. Henry, just wait. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Acha, Henry, yes, tell me.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can we check this place?
Which
This
one?
place.
Show me.
This, okay.
Yes.
This place.
Okay.
And see
This
whether
one.
there is
This one.
this one.
Okay.
Whether there is a confirmation, because this is an uptrend before
Yes.
this candle forms. By the time this candle is forming, we will not know that this candle is going to form. So if you see a confirmation here for buyers, let's see whether there is a confirmation.
No, you can't trade when you get if you get one confirmation, you can't trade on this candle, because you can see the market reverse from this level. Again quickly sellers entered, so you can't trade quickly. I already told you, you can't trade quickly on the next candle. So the market reverse from this level, right? So you can see the market reverse from this level. So it reverse and goes up, and when on market, if market comes to this level again, you can trade.
Yes.
But you can't trade quickly on the next candle. It reversed. If you see the next candle goes down and touch this level, you can't trade on the next candle, because it may lose your trade.
I
already told you, right? So this is it reversed, and when market goes up and comes to this level, you can trade. It reversed quickly, right? Sellers enter quickly. You can't trade here. Got it?
Thank you.
Okay. So if you trade quickly, it may break this level, because the market trying to break this level quickly. Sellers entered quickly, right?
Yes.
Okay, just wait. So this is the reason behind it. The sellers always change their entry point. If you see one good confirmation when market cross this level, if you see one or two good confirmations, you can enter. Okay, you may think this is fake breakout, but this is not fake breakout. Fake breakout happens because of sellers or buyers entry points, because they change their entry point. So you can see here, when market come to this level, sellers entered very strongly, right? Sellers entered very strongly because sellers are waiting to enter here. Strong sellers, so many sellers are there. You can see the rejections from the same level. Again, this is very strong candle. Again, this is very strong candle. This is very strong candle. This is weak candle. Again, some buyers entered. Again, sellers entered very strongly. So it means there are so many sellers here. And you can see here, when market come to this level, buyers entered very strongly. There is no sellers candle in it. You can see strong buyers entry. So this is the strong buyers entry. Yes. Yes, who is this? Okay, this is strong buyers entry point. When market again come to this level, buyers will enter. Okay, because this is strong buyers entry point. This is strong buyers area. When market again come to this level, buyers will enter. But you need confirmation to enter with buyers. Okay, you need confirmation to enter with buyers. When market come to this level, buyers will enter, because previously the buyers entered very strongly from this level. This is very strong buyers area. So if you see strong buyers area, you can enter with buyers. When market again come to same level, you can enter with buyers. Okay, so you can see here, the buyers entered from this level, but not strongly, but buyers entered from this level. You can see buyers entered, again buyers entered. They entered very strongly at this point. So you can choose this level, but you need confirmation to enter with buyers. If you get one confirmation here, you can trade. You can see the same rejection from the same level, right? You can see this is also a level. The buyers entered very strongly from this area, but buyers entered from this area, but buyers enter strongly from this level. So you can choose this level as a buyers area. When again market come to this level, if you get one confirmation, you can enter. If you get one strong confirmation, you can enter with buyers. So this is very strong sellers entry point. When market come to this level, sellers entered very strongly, right? This is weak candle. Again, you can see the strong sellers entry. Again, when market come to this level, if you get one confirmation, you can trade. But you need confirmation to enter with sellers. If you get one confirmation, you can trade. Okay, I will show you here one thing. So this is strong buyers entry point. Buyers entered very strongly from this area. Okay, again buyers entered little. Okay, buyers entered but not strongly. But this is it reversed because of this strong buyers entry. You can see the sellers are very strong. Again, even the sellers strong, it reversed from the same level, at least for 1 minute, because of the strong buyers area. This is very strong seller's entry point, and this is very strong seller's entry, and this is downtrend. Even this is downtrend, and this is strong seller's entry. It reversed for 1 minute because of these
Bro.
sellers. Yes,
I've got one question. Could you please scroll on the right side?
you stand.
Yeah, this is then a little further. Hang on. It's
This one.
not very sure. Yeah, I can take it from there. On the left.
Okay.
No. I couldn't able to recognize.
Here.
Yeah, here.
Yes.
Here, 1 second. Here, this area is a buyer's area, so the market it goes up,
Yes.
and here it forms a small candle,
Yeah.
which shows that the buyer's strength is getting weaker now. But
Yeah.
here and then
Okay.
it forms a very strong candle, and thereafter it goes down.
Yes.
So I couldn't able to understand what is the logic behind, because here if we refer back here, there was a candle. The market was very strong at this moment, but now
Okay.
the market is getting weaker. So the sellers take the control of the market and it goes down. So this is exceptional and it is understandable. But at this moment, it is little bit. I couldn't able to.
This is
That-
downtrend. This is downtrend, and this is not seller's area, right? You don't know this is seller's area or not. This is not seller's area, and this spinning top worked as a continuation here, continuation of previous bullish entry.
এখানে বুঝতে পারলাম যে
Okay, so that means
This
it's
is the continuation. Here, if you see this type of strong candle after small bullish entry, it means it is going to reverse the market. Okay.
okay.
If you see the strong seller's entry after small Kirish movement, it means it is going to reverse the market. It is ready to reverse the market, right? You can see here.
But
So-
but what is the logic? What is the logic behind? Because the buyers
Buyers knows here, they know the sellers will enter. Okay, they know the sellers will enter because this is downtrend. That's why they buy their stuff quickly, right?
right.
All buyers purchase their stuff quickly here, right? They are hurried to purchase their stuff.
Okay.
All buyers enter quickly because this is downtrend. If they think sellers will enter, they will purchase quickly here because market is going to reverse. Again, they will sell their stuff here, right?
Yes.
That's why they. Okay, just wait. I will show you here. So this one, 1940. So you can see some sellers entry point, some sellers entry, right? So they are seeing some sellers entry here. It means they think it will go more down. That's why they entered here, right? They entered strongly. All sellers, all buyers entered strongly because they saw the sellers entry here. I think they thought that the market goes more down, and if they enter here, they will get some good profit, right? Because market is going down. That's why they entered quickly here. They entered strongly. Got it?
Okay. Yeah, I get it. Thank you.
Okay. If you see the buyers enter strongly or sellers enter strongly, it means it is ready to reverse the market. Okay. I will show you. Just wait. You can see. Here. So you can see here also. Okay. Here also the buyers entered very quickly, right?
এটা হইতে
So
পারে
it means
স্ট্রংলি
it is
ইন্টারভোস
going to reverse the
এইখানে
market.
সেলার এরিয়া ছিল তারপরের ক্যান্ডেলটা বড়
And there is small so you can
এখন
see here
কথা হলো
this is small
হয়
entry,
কিন্তু
this is
শিওর